All right, guys, welcome to this video on scalping. I know. You're saying, Andy, you told us don't scalp. You're going to blow up your account. I've done videos telling you not to scalp. Why am I doing a video now on my #1 scalping strategy? Well, imagine you've got kids. You've told them not to drink alcohol, but they go out, they meet their friends, they party a little bit. Would you rather talk to them about how to use alcohol and drink constructively without damaging their lives rather than them just going out and doing it without any advice? Well, that's how I feel about you guys in scalping, right? You're going to do it anyway, so we might as well give some constructive advice. With that said, I'm going to give you my #1 scalping strategy. If you follow this strategy, I can assure you, you're going to improve your results dramatically. We're going to look at the screen here in just a moment. This is the NASDAQ 100 hourly bar chart. And I really encourage you to step on into the live stream and use the analysis that I'm pointing out throughout the New York session every single day, because it's going to keep you on the right side of the market. And that's the key to scalping. I'm going to give you a specific strategy that you can employ during my live streams. If you want to pass your funded challenge or whatever else you're doing, come on into the live stream. If you have to scalp, use this technique. It's going to help you dramatically. All right, let's go ahead and look at the charts here quickly. You can see right here the hourly chart, right? This is a chart from yesterday. You can go into the live stream and see me talking about the NASDAQ at this exact moment in time, right? So when the NASDAQ was getting up into this level here around 16,840, we had been talking about it for the last hour or so, just kind of saying, wait till we get to 16,840. That's the key level where you have multiple time period resistance stacked on one another. We didn't expect a big punch to the upside because the daily and the weekly charts look bearish now. So there's a lot of detail that goes into our analysis, which is why we can pick these levels with such accuracy day after day. Now, do we get it right every single time? Of course not. But, you know, in the live stream, I don't know, 70% of the time, 75% of the time, it's pretty damn spot on. And if I'm not sure what's going to happen, believe me, I'm telling you, I'm saying, hey, this isn't clear. I don't know what's going to happen. That means don't trade. That means stay patient. You're not going to lose money, right? But imagine if you use the levels like this, and I say to you, 16,840 is where all this resistance is, right? Okay. So once we get up there and I say, all right, this is the resistance now, I'm not going to short this because it's not the trade I'm looking for. I'm waiting for larger trades. You know, I'm looking for a trade that can maybe move 50, 60, 70 points on the NASDAQ, right? But for you guys who want to try and get 5, 10 points at a time on the NASDAQ or whatever it is you're looking to get, imagine only focusing on the short side from this resistance level, right? And imagine knowing with pretty darn good accuracy when it's time to turn the strategy off, right? So once we got down here, I was very clear about the fact that support is kicking in now. Do not expect this to fire through to the downside. And again, I had a lot of reasons for why I was seeing that on the chart. So by using that information to your advantage, imagine what you can do with your scalping. In fact, I might just take out, 10 or 20 of these funded accounts and just put them live and scalp and show you how it works. I'm not a scalper. I know it works. So I'll show you live on some funded accounts when I have the time. I'm too busy trading my real account. But for you who trade the funded accounts, this is absolutely huge for you because I'm going to give you the levels and the overall direction well in advance of it happening. So if you want to take advantage of that, come on into the stream. If you already know the levels and direction for yourself and you can pick them every day, then just employ this strategy. Turn your scalping system on and off at the key moments when you got the level, support or resistance, and the direction all lined up, because then you know you're going with the flow of the river, right? If you're going to short, you can just wait for little pops, short, cover, 12 ticks lower, 16 ticks later, pull your profit, wait for it to short again. Pop, you short, you cover, you can do that in the right type of market, but you've got to be so careful. So I encourage you to come on in, check it out. I hope this video helped you, and come and see what we're doing in the live stream, and you're not going to be disappointed. So hope to see you there. Take care. Bye-bye.